Some places ask you to slow down and simply be. Welcome to Carriage House Lavender, nestled in the heart of Sherwood, Oregon. Here, endless rows of lavender stretch beneath open skies, creating a place where beauty, peace, and nature come together. As the breeze moves through the fields, the fragrance of lavender fills the air, inviting you to pause, to breathe, and to enjoy the moment. Whether you're visiting with family, meeting friends, celebrating a special occasion, or searching for the perfect photograph, every visit becomes a memory worth keeping. Explore the lavender fields, browse handcrafted lavender products, relax, reconnect, and experience the simple joy of being surrounded by nature. From above, the landscape is breathtaking. On the ground, it's something even more special. This is more than a destination. It's a place to gather, to celebrate, to unwind, and to create memories that last long after the season ends. We look forward to welcoming you to Carriage House Lavender, where every visit is a breath of fresh air, and every bloom tells a story.